Are you a business owner who is facing litigation, foreclosure, unpaid taxes, or other issues that are threatening the survival of your business? Are you considering bankruptcy or looking for an alternative that will resolve problems and keep your company moving in the right direction? If you're facing threats to your personal wealth or business and looking for an asset protection plan, you need to call a business attorney that can help you find solutions now. Weintraub & Self has focused on helping businesses through complex and challenging situations of all types for the past 25 years. Don't let your business fail because you didn't have the proper guidance. Don't put your personal assets at risk because you didn't consult with a law firm who could have prevented financial ruin. Business challenges are extremely complex. It's imperative to talk to an experienced business attorney who can truly help you find a solution that works for you. Call the business attorneys of Weintraub & Self now to set up a consultation. The call is free, so call now.